Hi, I'm Marcus from Kelmar Yardworx, and we're here today to talk about artificial turf. Basic install starts usually with a consultation with the client. We come in, listen to their needs, and then work on some design. After that, once we've decided to go forward, we'll come in with our crew. We'll typically remove the old lawn or whatever's in the area that we're going to be adding the turf to. Then it's usually add a layer 2.5 to 3 inches of compact gravel. That's where a lot of the sculpting or leveling's done. And then we top that off with a different type of compact gravel with a bit smaller aggregate. Once that's complete, then it's just a matter of rolling out the turf, cutting it all into the edging that we've installed, and seaming it up, brushing in the infill, and away you go. You're ready to enjoy your lawn. So currently the supplier I'm using, they offer a 20-year warranty on all their products. As well, I offer a 3-year installation warranty that would cover any installation defects. If you're a golfer, we'd love to sit and chat with you. We do custom putting greens, and we'd love to help you build your dream backyard. Whether it's your front yard, your backyard, even a rooftop patio, we're always open to offering you the best solutions for your space. If you're interested in learning more about artificial turf, or you'd like a free estimate, you can visit kelmaryardworx.ca or call Marcus at 250-309-3664. We'd be happy to come and sit with you and see if this is the right product for you and your home.